Hello everyone, you are watching Simply Education. We all know that recently the global price of crude oil has been crashed. We know crude oil is also known as black gold. In this lecture, we will discuss the consequences of this price crash, what will be the impact and how it can benefit India in terms of development. So, let us begin. At first, we will discuss about the major oil price indices. There are two major oil price indices. Generally, these indices maintain the global oil price. In this case, one is West Texas Intermediate, formerly known as WTI, which is American based, and another is Brent crude, which is European based. So, West Texas Intermediate dropped below -$40 per barrel and Brent crude traded below $20 per barrel. The price in the case of West Texas Intermediate is the lowest in the history of US. In fact, according to Bloomberg data, this WTI fall is the lowest in the history. In fact, the previous lowest was immediately after the World War II, but this lowest price has surpasses those World War II situation. And Brent crude almost passes 2/3 of its value than those start at the 2020. Next, we will discuss about the main reasons behind this price crash. Actually, there are three reasons behind this price crash. One is reduction in demand, massive oversupply, and storage space running out. Too little demand, that is, this COVID-19 pandemic sharply reduced economic activity, and for that the demand of the oil has surpasses or decreases simultaneously. As we all know that demand and supply are the main factors behind the price of any goods or things. So, when the demand is reduced side, then the price is always in the decreased side. On the other hand, massive oversupply. Recently, there was a price war going between Russia and Saudi Arabia, where both disagreed to lower the oil production, so that the price of the oil cannot be stabilized upwards, because there were massive oversupply due to this price war between Saudi Arabia and Russia. If you suggest to stop or close the oil refineries or oil well, then it is impossible, because once you stop or close a oil refinery or oil well, then you have to restart it again, and there was a huge cost behind this. And on the other side, if you stop oil production, you can lose the world or global market, as United States of America have not cut their supply side, and if you stop your production, then United States of America will consume the whole market. And the other point is storage space running out both on the land and the seas. At a time, storage space are full, and generally boats, ships are used to transport the oil, but these ships and boats are also full of oil, but not for delivery. It is only for the storage purpose. Now we will discuss what will be the impact of these low oil prices in the world. First, we will discuss about geopolitical impact. This price in oil may undermine the political stability of several regimes or countries in West Asia. Actually, the strongest or bigger countries will not be affected much, but the small countries who mainly earns revenue by the export of oil, these countries will heavily affected because this low oil price crash and no demand in the market will hit their economy as much. And other point is impact of Russia's plan. Actually, Russia has a plan to revive its crippled economy by selling oil, and Russia plans to sell oil in the lowest side and destroy the US's shale oil industry. But this Russia's plan will not be sufficient because the oil price at this time is very low. And the other point is affecting the clean energy alternatives for our environment. That when the whole world is founding or searching for the alternate option from this oil, and when the whole humans or whole world is shifting from oil to solar energy or wind energy, this low or cheap oil price will be sufficient to stop the wind or solar energy for the poor countries or developing countries to buy more oils for their development. Next we will discuss about the impact on India. This upper arrow shows that this impact in India will be helpful for the India's economic development. If the government or Indian government passes on the lower price to consumer, if the government passes this lower price to its consumers or the normal or general people, this will boost the public consumption and may help in economic recovery in a post-lockdown scenario. On the other side, if the government did not pass the lower price but levy the higher taxes on oil, alternatively it also can boost the government revenues. India is the third largest importer of crude oil in the world. So, a sharp and prolonged decline in the oil prices helps in reducing the current account deficit of India. This down arrow generally shows that this impact will not benefit India. What is this? This is the Gulf lower oil revenues. If the Gulf countries earn a lower revenue from India, then they will decrease the bilateral trade and investment as well as exports or remittance in India. This all of them adding to India's current financial stress. But this impact is too much low than that impact which will benefit India from these terms. Now we will discuss what should be the way forward from this point of view for India. India should build a strategic petroleum reserves in the country. Currently, India has 3 strategic petroleum reserves, one at Vizag, one at Mangaluru, and one at Padur, amounting to 9.5 days of its crude oil requirements. It means India can store their crude oils almost 9.5 days. But India should be working on IEA protocol. IEA protocol says each member country has to hold emergency oil stock equivalent to at least 90 days of imports. 90 days, and we are standing at 9.5 days. It is so smaller. So India, in this picture you can show strategic petroleum reserves. SPR1, which we have at Visakhapatnam, Mangalore and Karnataka and Padur, Karnataka, and SPR2 we can build at Chandikhale, Odisha and Padur, Karnataka. Chandikhale, Odisha will be 4 million tons and 2.5 million tons will be at the Padur, Karnataka. Here you can see the blue dots will be built, and the yellow dots we already have. Thank you for watching this video. Stay subscribed, stay based, stay happy.